Hey, what's going on, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jerry, Revolution Uprise. Just rocking the old Wu-Tang action, you know. But I mean, maybe that's a hint on what we're doing today. It's not Wu-Tang, but it's some of that really real stuff. Okay. Team Backpack. Man, my stuff's so crowded over here. My bad. Team Backpack. I've heard of Team Backpack. I actually watched some videos of them. You know, that cypher type stuff. I love it. I totally forgot about it, honestly. So big shout out to Big Rob for reminding me. But Locksmith, I know of Locksmith. I've heard some of his stuff. Super lyrical. It's been a long time though. Maybe I think I've only seen him like one time. But as Big Rob says, super lyrical onto that real, you know, thinker stuff. So I like that, you know. I think it's good for the hip-hop culture to have some deep elements of society, societal discussion within their bars, you know, lines, and that cause people to actually think instead of just kind of play along with the program. I'm not no conspiracy theorist type thing. I'm just talking about in actual real everyday thinking. It's good to actually think, you know, to question things and not just to go by what everyone tells you, you know, be yourself. So that all aside, let's go ahead and check this out. This is Locksmith, A-1, Anilyst, I think it is, and produced by Fresco Bangaz. I think it's a Team Backpack, I'm pretty sure. So let's just go ahead and check it out. I'm ready to hear. I can't recall which one is Locksmith. I'm just gonna analyze it all and see what I think. I might stop it occasionally, you know, if I hear a good bar. So don't be offended or turned off by it. If you are, it's fine.
This episode was filmed live in front of a studio audience at Mission Underground. The following material contains strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
TeamBackpack.net. Been stuck in a limbo, not making enough to be comfortable. Been paying these dues, maybe someday soon they'll become refundable. Yeah, with a little bit of interest. Yeah, little something you can invest. Just yesterday you was a child, now half of your childhood friends got infants. Shit, at least it ain't you. Till your face turn navy blue when the girl from the other night call you up and say, I'm pregnant with your baby boo. Oh no man, this can't be true. No man, this can't be true. I got too much life to live, I got people to see, I got things to do. This gonna be a big change for you. Diapers, you're gonna have to change a few. Plus work at a 9-to-5 job for a couple of years, a minimum wage and through. See a time machine, you really need it badly. Everybody needs you to be the daddy. Everybody needs you to feed the family, but you don't know if you're gonna be able to, cause all the time and the work and the stress it takes and it makes you depressed and sad. You really wanna run away from it, but you don't wanna be another deadbeat dad. And it's overwhelming, cause it got you by surprise. But when that baby come out and you look into his eyes, what you gonna do? You gonna stand there like a punk, what you gonna do? You gon' turn around and run, what you gon' do? Or you gon' show them how it's done? Your back against the wall, is you gon' stand or you gon' fall, what you gon' do?
Hey, what you gonna do?
Team Backpack, what up? Check it out. Look, dreaming with no eyes closed, feeling like, oh, I'm close. When your life's borderline broke, you got no choice but to multiply dough. Show thy glow, my poltergeist soul. So they like, oh, this guy so the psycho. Name my brother cold as I home like snow. Night will flow when I go rhyme slow. That don't really happen often. Passionate, lyrically packed with arson. Every time I spaz, they flashing caution. Imagine the path of marching. Ball like I'm Shaq, better back up off him. Tell a bitch that I got a Magic Johnson. Celibate, nah, she smashes often. Hit it raw till I'm all past exhausting. Look, the second I rushed on the scene, I've been getting nothing but green. Independent, what's that mean? I literally did it as a one-man team. You ain't seen another brother front so clean. Let's do it. Team Backpack, let's go.
It happens.
TeamBackpack.net. What's happening, team? Back. Here we go with this shit again. See, y'all thought I premeditate that shit. Look.
I heard the crowd cheer right when you did that too.
Yo, can you hear me? Look. Now what if I said the music you fed is part of a plan? An elitist agenda to feed and extend the catharsis of man. A subtle progression, the muzzle expression through public deception. Ain't none of us stressing the sucking the blessings. Fuck your perception, it starts with the fans. Niggas wanna follow the hollow motto and swallow the same bottle of pills when it threatens their ability. Michael by the fire.
Oh boy. Man. Same it.
None of us stressing the sucking the blessings. Fuck your perception, it starts with the fans. Niggas wanna follow the hollow motto and swallow the same.
And wanna follow the hollow motto.
Bottle the pills when it threatens their ability. Michael by the father of being father to offer the alternate outcome to protect sensibility. Silly me the privy priestly dudes that's willingly sacrificing their pennies for blog accessibility. You pay another to get on a website, that's a red light. Now question your credibility. Dealing
That's like some world star he's talking about.
with the feeling of being the villain, concealing, fulfilling any image you knew was not real. Niggas wanna floss and come to the block talking that shit like, look at these motherfucking wheels.
No.
You trapped in an image of prison created like nigga, we made it. We slaves in the matrix and all of it's heinous as Angela Davis. The shit is frustrating. You keep dropping albums and CDs, we get it, you working, you writing. But it's sorta like Rihanna's titties, we seen them, there's no more excitement. You tweeting, you posting, you hosting these legion of students. You garnering all this attention, but no one believes in your music. Assuming you was unassuming, I'm assuming you was doing what you thought you had to do in order to get out of room. Now you wanna come and new and now you wanna come and suing. Water down bullshit for the dumb humans, I'ma come and thumb through it. I'ma put my gums to it, I'ma eat you motherfucking rappers, ain't no undoing. I'd rather be a corpse than a subhuman, I'ma tell you pussy to be quiet till I'm done chewing. I just sit back and I look at the game and it disgusts me.
Yeah.
I see it clearly, you fear me, cause lyrically no one can fuck with me. Even my homie R.A., he told me them haters ain't sugar you. If you open up for these rappers and murder them, nobody's booking you. Niggas play the fame and the lames from the fames that famous to entertainers and none of the shit is flavor. I just take the lyrics and language, twist it like things and turn them into Vegas, my nigga, that is not debatable. Yeah. Nowadays, niggas only on cause of cosigns. I'm the illest motherfucker that's been doing this post-trap. No side, literally, I'm so high, satellite close by. Niggas keep pretending.
His demeanor's just super ill too. He's just chill, like he's just posted up with the mic, dude. He just like it's effortless. That's ill.
This lame. They didn't want to talk about who the best on the West Coast. Got the nerve not to mention my name.
Hey.
So hard the discussion. Fuck what you heard cause you lost in the front. The difference from me and these spitters and lyrical killers, I'm actually talking about something.
Hey. It's very grimy.
He actually destroyed the microphone.
Grimy.
The microphone break live on camera.
Whoa, dude. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Well, for sure, I'm definitely going to have to get up on Locksmith a lot more. I can't believe I haven't. Like, I think I heard him at one point, and I was really impressed and just blown away. And then I somehow forgot or something. I don't know, man. But that's what I love, man. Like artists that see the bigger picture, man, and they're just not afraid to expose the fallacy, the fake perception mirage of all these artists that get famous, man. Like not that I care, because I mean I'm not like salty because I'm not famous or whatever. I don't care, honestly. I don't really want that life, to be honest. But it's just crazy that the people that are on that I gotta brush out the beard sometimes. The people that are on that freaking pedestal don't use it. The people that are on that pedestal don't use it for, you know, for the good most times. I mean, there are some that do, but the ones that are that usually make it are just talking about the same old crap, and the young kids, you know, teenagers, they just want to be cool, man. They just want to fit in, and they buy into they just want to be cool, so they feed into whatever's popular, because I feel like if I'm not sporting whatever's, everyone else likes, then I'm not going to be liked, and it's such a worry of young kids to be liked. You got to be liked, and it's like I wish parents could somehow teach kids that it's really like for my little girl, like I don't get to see her very often. She's out in Chicago currently. I have plans to actually make a move sooner or later here and be with her, but right now it's just a weird situation, and so I don't have the opportunity yet. But every time I talk to her, I always tell her that it doesn't matter what anyone says about you or what anyone thinks about you. You know who you are, and at the core of who you are, you're perfect, baby, and you're amazing. You're perfect love. Don't try to impress anybody. Don't try to, don't not be who you are just to make someone else like you, because it doesn't. Some of those people had, I tell her in simple terms, I try to. Some of those people's mummies and daddies didn't teach them the right way, so they feel bad about themselves. And so when kids feel bad about themselves, they might be mean to you and treat you bad, But don't take that seriously. Don't believe what they say just because they don't feel good. People treat other people bad because they don't feel good. I try to instill that in her every time I talk to her. But it's really about, it's not about making people like you. Just be yourself. Be your freaking self. And I love how Locksmith is just spitting that truth, spitting what he feels is right. You can almost sense that genuine nature within him. I can say, maybe I'm being judgmental or something, but it seems like I can definitely tell when an artist's being real and an artist is just making that bubblegum music, But hey, man, that was dope, super dope. Thank you, Big Rob. I'm gonna have to check out some more of those things, because that was heat. And his flows, oh my god, patterns and his technicality was just mind-blowing, incredible. I loved it, very crazy. So I'll check out more of those soon. Teen Backpack, man, I forgot all about that, man. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. My name is Jerry. My channel is Revolution Uprise. If you have like a request, for me to review something, give my thoughts on it, feel free. It don't even have to be music, honestly. I just kind of like expounding on ideas and just speaking of just causing discussion. It doesn't have to be music discussion. It can just be life discussion, or just society discussion, whatever it is. Just send it to me if that's what you want me to check out, get my thoughts on. Maybe we can start a discussion in the comments. And you guys are awesome. Thank you. Like I said, my name is Jerry. This is Revolution Uprise. Rev up and stay up. Think for yourself. And until next time, you guys better take it easy.